Here we go again, another cook up tonight, but I'm not doing it this time, Pete's doing it. She's going to cook us up
Panang curry.
Panang curry, yummo.
Okay, so what we do first is put some oil. Then we use Panang curry paste. This is the best one, I reckon.
Maesri.
That's how you say it, I don't know.
Well, we don't know if that's the proper way of saying it, but...
And we use I only use like 2 teaspoons because I don't like spicy. And then we put over the heat to get the aroma of the
paste.
Cook it for a little bit. Okay, that's enough. Okay, then I'm going to stick some lid to the top. So that's in.
Like Flynn?
Huh?
In like Flynn?
Yeah, and then you put some coconut milk. Cara is the best one as well.
Yeah, that's the best we find, Cara.
Then we
I will write the recipe down.
stir it up a bit.
Oh, look how nice that looks already.
And then I always add a bit of water because it thickens once it warms up, once it heats up properly. And probably put a bit more coconut milk in. And then what I do is put some magic powder, MSG.
And who loves MSG?
Me.
Uncle Nigel. If you've ever watched Uncle Nigel's videos, you'll see that he loves the white powder.
And I use this, I don't know if you're supposed to, but this is what I do.
What's this called, Pete?
It's core chicken powder.
Core chicken powder. A little bit of a seasoning. Where'd you learn that one from?
I don't know, I just learnt it. I just added it. And stir it a bit more. But I think we should put it on the heat.
Back on the heat. Again, we're using the Campqube. I think it's getting its work out this week.
Oh, and you put some of this, what's that, kaffir lime.
Kaffir lime, homegrown.
For flavour. And then I pre-cook some chicken, not cook, but boil it for a bit, just to blanch it maybe you call, I don't know. And then I just put it in. I'm using thighs this time, but I normally use breast fillets.
I like breast fillets.
And that's it. Let it simmer. And
I was waiting for Pete to say what bloke doesn't like breast fillets, but she didn't say it. She usually would.
Yeah, well, that's true.
Hey?
That's true. Most blokes would. But anyway, we're cooking.
Cooking with thigh fillets. Look at that.
We'll show you the end when it's done. It'll be dark then.
Yeah, we're a bit like Ronnie Dale camps in the dark, or gets to camp in the dark. We
cook
in the dark.
Well, that's about it for now until it heats up.
So we just heat it up.
On it, don't burn it. I've never done it on the camp oven.
Do we boil it or? You let it boil, Pete, or
Simmer.
you just
Otherwise
simmer?
the milk, the coconut milk goes funny.
Alright, so it's just simmer. Otherwise the coconut milk will go funny.
Like curdle, sort of. Not curdle, but it goes funny. Lumpy. Anyway, that's it. Let
So
it
just
sit.
simmer. Alright, well we'll get back to you at the finished product. Well, here's the finished product. We just got to throw a little bit of fish sauce in it. A little bit of fish sauce.
That's just a taste.
That's just a taste. And
Whatever you like, salty or not salty. If you don't like salt, don't add it.
if you don't like salt, don't add it. But yeah,
But you
So-
need a dash in it anyway.
have a look how good that is, eh? Yum-mo.
Now for the rice.
Now-
Next.
We're going to do, thanks Pete, give us a thumbs up Pete. Thank you for that. And now we're going to do a cow pad kai. So,
This is just egg fried rice.
which is just egg fried rice. So yeah, I'll start that in shortly.
Okay, so we're gonna now cook a egg fried rice.
Yeah,
Oh, Adam's cooking it, not me.
got the old wok. Uncle Nigel. Haven't seen you do one on the fire, Uncle Nigel. You're supposed to be Chinese. Or Malaysian, or whatever you are. So you get that?
That's a bit rude.
I'm not being rude.
That was. Okay, so now Adam's gonna be cooking a egg fried rice. In the
Cow pad
wok.
kai in Thai. So you put a bit of oil in. Peanut oil. Just stir it around a bit. Oops, got a bit of a fire going here. You fry your eggs first. Oh, this egg's no good. Probably got egg shell in it, be hard to see. You break it up. You don't actually make a scrambled egg. You just break the fried egg up like so. So yeah, you break it up, cook it up until it's nice and gold. It's quite weird really. You cook the egg first, like so. And as you can see, the egg's done pretty much. Oh, how good's that look? And then you take that off. Put your egg back into a plate. For adding to your rice later on.
Okay.
Now you put your garlic in. Cook your garlic up. Toast, pretty much toasting it really. Again, you put a little bit more oil in. Good thing about using a wok, it heats up. And that. Then take your garlic off again. Put it in with your egg. Don't worry about it if you don't get it all out, doesn't really matter. Then you get your rice.
Pre-cooked rice.
Pre-cooked. In a rice cooker for Uncle Nigel if he ever watches my videos. I doubt it will. But I might tag Uncle Nigel, see if he can do one on the campfire. But I am using a wok, Uncle Nigel. So yeah. So you get that. And then oops. That's one for the dog.
Dog's eating it.
Pour a little bit of oil around the edge. The old dog's going to cook himself in a minute. And then you get a bit of soy sauce. Just not too much. That's probably plenty. Bit of fish sauce. Now, this is to taste, so you might not like too much fish sauce. You might not like other stuff. Oh, smoke in my eyes again. Oh, I think I might grab the bigger handle. Having the little handle get too close to the fire.